For today's experiment, I used the Yellow Scope Acids, Bases, and pH Science Kit. This kit is great for girls who want to become scientists. Welcome to Saturday Morning Science with Sienna. Today, I'm going to be using the Yellow Scope Acids, Bases, and pH Science Kit to find out if different household ingredients are acids, bases, or neutral. So the ingredients you're going to need are lemon juice, vinegar, baking soda, a glass cleaner or any kind of cleaner, but it has to have ammonia, and a powdered laundry detergent. And then what does come with this kit is red cabbage powder, and you're going to turn that into a liquid. And then you're going to use that to figure out what the different household ingredients are. Wait, before you do this experiment, make sure you have adult supervision because ammonia is a harsh chemical that isn't good for children. So using the red cabbage powder, if your ingredients turn purple, that means they are a neutral. And then if your ingredients turn pink, that means that they are an acid. And if they turn green or blue, that means they are a dark base or a light base. So we're going to be using the red cabbage powder to find out. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour your different ingredients into the palette that comes with the kit. So I have my lemon juice. Fill it right up to the top. There you go. This is the water. And depending on where you live, the water will be different because it could be distilled or not. This is the vinegar. Okay, there. This is the baking soda. I'm gonna try to shake that in. And this is the laundry detergent. And last one I'm putting in is the ammonia glass cleaner. Be extra careful with this one. All right. Now we're going to be adding the red cabbage powder to see what happens. Now using your pipette, you're going to be taking the red cabbage powder, which I used the solution of 10 milliliters of red cabbage powder and 10 milliliters of water. You're going to be using this and you're going to be dropping a little bit into each palette. Watch what happens. You can see lemon juice turned pink. So that means that lemon juice is an acid. Check one. Put some into the water. The water turned purple, which means that it is neutral. This is the vinegar. Okay, the vinegar turned a really bright pink, so that means that it is an acid. And then, so here the baking powder, it's going to get a little clumpy because you're adding water to a dry ingredient, so. Okay, that turned blue. So that means that it is a base. It's a very light blue color, so it's a light base. Now we're going to add it to the laundry detergent. Now the laundry detergent turned green, which means that it is a very hard base and it's about a 10 or a 12. And then the last thing we're going to be adding it to is the ammonia window cleaner. That also turned green, so that is a base. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought each ingredient would turn into. Thank you for watching.